We're going to see what the elves done today.
Foxy. Oh, you can have your light. That's fine. You got your rainbow dash. Yeah. Can you show me?
See it in that box.
Oh, cool. Yeah, mummy hot tea down there.
Ready? It's in the box.
Yeah, Bob.
Papa. The elves are in it.
The elves are in there. Is there any letter or anything? What does the letter say?
Had a night of the elves.
Oh,
What's Papa?
they didn't do anything.
That was not fun.
They had a night off. Oh. The elves had a night off. Were you extra good yesterday? Were you naughty at all?
No, it was not on.
No. I don't know then.
Look,
Yeah, you're both on the green on the chart, so I don't know. You want your microphone on? Here you go.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair. The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
He just did that little sound and then he farted as well. Lily. Right, we're going to have some coffee and some breakfast. What? Is that you?
I just finished my breakfast and it started going.
Oh, are you come and check? Good. What did you hear?
I think it's Tinkerbell.
You think it's Tinkerbell?
The elves are gone.
You what?
The elves are gone.
What do you mean they've gone?
Ta-da! That one.
Tricked you? What?
That one.
What?
What's pretending?
What are they doing?
What's that? What on the other? I got back of that.
What? Sparkle fart? What are you doing in
This
there?
is a baby god. You're tiny. You're small as Spider-Man. Where's your one? Found it one.
What are you doing? These elves are so naughty. I thought they weren't doing anything today. I see.
That one.
Ah, he's on my plant. What is going on with these elves? Get down off there, you naughty boy.
No, it's a girl.
It's a boy.
Huh?
Right, look at the mess that Foxy's made in here. This was tidy, and then Foxy Man spends 5 minutes and trashes it.
I found something. This
That's where they ate the biscuits the other day, didn't they? Yeah, they ate the biscuits the other day. Put that in the bin, otherwise Bob will get them. Put them back in their box.
These.
Yeah, the elves. The elves, not the crumbs, you Wally. Oh.
So bright.
Right, turn around. Face mummy.
This is tiny bubble wrap, Mummy.
I need to water cheddar in a minute.
Mom,
Don't let me forget.
I went to water.
You can't water him
Why?
because he's all the way up there.
If you bring him down.
I can't bring him down, he's ginormous.
What? What? This is the biggest trumpet I ever saw.
Mm-hmm.
What's your other one?
I don't know what the other one is. I've used it somewhere.
Should we do that? Because it was 6, 7, 8. So Mummy gets to do
You've got 6 to
one.
open.
Yeah, I think it was my turn.
No, there's 6 to open, so you can do 3 each.
Yeah. Yeah, 3 and 3 makes 6. Mummy, I can lift that up. What's in here?
Nothing for you, thank you.
What is in it? Just tell me.
Right, and get me a couple of clips.
Yeah. How many?
2.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We already done 3.
Okay, well then just do 4 and 5.
Do I have to do 3?
No, it's already done. Sorry about how long your hair is, Ari.
Oh, look at this. And then 5.
Do you want a ponytail with a plait?
Yeah.
Yeah. Why is Mika so naughty?
I don't know. If she beats even more, but you might turn her on to the yellow.
I don't do that. Elves do.
Huh?
You just want a ponytail?
Yeah.
Beautiful. So that is finished makeup. This is basically what I'm doing every day. And oh, look at that fucker up there. Didn't wait for it to dry long enough. Where's my, I was gonna lick my finger again, but that is gross. Yeah, I'm basically doing this every day now. Just eyebrows, eyeliner. This Illamasqua eyeliner, like if you've ever watched my channel before, you know I am shit at eyeliner, and this is so good. I have realised that if I come in closer, like you can see that's not at the edge, it suits my eye shape so much better. Like if I try and do it right at the edge, it just looks weird. I think 'cause my eyes are slightly hooded. I just come in from the edge and it does really nice. I go over it with the Huda because the Huda literally doesn't move once it's dried. It's an absolute shitter to get off, but it is amazing. So the Illamasqua lasts well, but the Huda means it's literally not going anywhere. So yeah, I'm going to do the school run. Hi, I have been out today and got some bits. I've got a glossy box to unbox in a little while, but I thought I would just do the advent calendars. So look fantastic. I've got an ELVES cleanser. I don't know if these are cruelty free or not. I hope they are because I've had one of their cleansers before and it was really good. So I'm hoping it's cruelty free or not. I'll put it on the screen. ELVES is not cruelty free. They sell in China. So yeah, it just says when required by law, so I assume that means in China. So that, I'm so sad. I'm gonna put it in a giveaway. I want it. I'm so sad because it's really nice, but it's gonna have to go in today's giveaway. Shut up! Fucking dogs across the road. I hate you all. The owners are literally stood behind them, just watching them bark. Anyway, next, day number 8. Ooh, what are you? This is a lip oil. This is everything, and it's in the colour Sheer Lavender. Looks a bit like it might make me look like I'm dead. I got a hair on my lip because I've just... Oh, I like it. I like it a lot. Lush. Glossy Box is a bubble tea bath bomb. I've got one of these in a giveaway. Again, I'll put the day on the screen, whatever day it is, if you want to enter. But this one is mine. Bubble tea, cruelty free. Shut your fucking dogs up! Maybe I could do, you know the song, shut your fucking face, Uncle Fucker. I could sing a song about the dog. Shut your fucking dogs up, you old cunt. No, that's just me. Is that mean? Is that mean? I don't even care. Shut your fucking dogs up, you old cunt. Box of Goth, number 8. It's your big boy. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god, this is cute. It's a mug. It's a mug. And I think it's in the shape of a cat. Get out the box. Now I've got Uncle Fucker stuck in my head. Oh my god, this is so cute. Look at that. I love it. Kitty cat mug. So cute. Absolutely love that. Oh, it's so cute. I'm going to keep the little box though, because that'll be handy for giveaways. And the bubble wrap. My bedroom is literally just full of boxes to post stuff in. So today's giveaway is the ELVES cleansing balm, and the rest of it is stuff I bought myself. I got this from Home Bargains, I think, and I just thought it was so freaking cute. Look, it's like a travel mug, and it's like mint green. I'm not sure if you can see because it's so bright in my bedroom. Downstairs there's no light, and up here there's too much light. Let me try and rectify the situation. Yeah, you can see what colour it is now. So that's like, yeah, like a mint green travel mug. And then a pencil that says you've got this. And then a soap that I bought. I bought like 7 of these off Amazon, and I just thought they were so lovely. They're no SLS or parabens, natural, handmade soap. And I just thought they looked really, really nice. This one is coconut. You can smell them through, and they look so good. Look, Faith in Nature. And I think there's 5 of these to give away over Vlogmas. I'm keeping a couple for myself, but I just thought they were really, really cute. So that is today's giveaway. I'm going to go now and film Glossy Box, and I've got a bit of a Revolution / NYX haul sort of video I'm going to film as well, just because I went to NYX when I went to the shop earlier on. There happened to be a NYX counter, and I was like, ooh. So I got some stuff from NYX. But yeah, Jane is here looking after Foxy, if you're wondering where he is. Jane is my mother-in-law. She comes once a week to look after Fossil. But yeah, I will see you later on.